Hello student, good morning. Myself Sabir Khan. Today we are going to learn class 10th subject science. Today's our topic is lesson number 14, source of energy. So students, we start our lessons and our first topic is source of energy and characteristics of good source of energy or fuel. Source of energy is that which is capable of providing enough useful energy at a steady rate over a long period of time. Characteristics of good source of fuels. First, it should have a high energy output per unit mass or volume. Second, it should be easily available. Third, it should be easy to store and transport. And fourth, it should be economical. Source of energy and its type. There are two main sources of energy. They are conventional and non-conventional source of energy. First, conventional source of energy. Definition. The conventional source of energy are those which are used extensively and meet a major portion of our energy requirement. For example, fossil fuel, coal, oil and natural gases, and hydro energy, energy of water flowing in river. Second, non-conventional source of energy. Definition. Non-conventional source of energy are those which are not used as extensively as the conventional ones and meet our energy requirement only a limited scale. For example, solar energy, wind energy, biomass energy, ocean energy, tidal energy, wave energy, ocean thermal energy, geothermal energy, nuclear energy, etc. Some sources of energy are renewable like sun, wind, flowing water, ocean, wood, biomass, etc. And some sources of energy are not renewable like coal, petroleum and natural gas. Fossil fuel. Fossil fuel are fuels formed inside the earth from the remains of plants and animals after millions of years. The fossil fuels are coal, petroleum and natural gases. Fossil fuels are non-renewable source of energy, so they should be conserved and used judiciously. Disadvantage of fossil fuels. Burning of fossil fuels release various types of gases and harmful particles which cause air pollution. Second, burning of fossil fuel release acidic oxides of sulfur and nitrogen which cause acid rain, which is harmful for living organisms, affect soil and water and cause damage to buildings, corrosion of metals, etc. Third, burning of fossil fuels release a large amount of carbon dioxide gas which increase the temperature of atmosphere and cause global warming, greenhouse effect, etc. Given pictures show harmful effect of fossil fuel. Thermal power plant. In thermal power plant, the heat energy produced by burning of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum or natural gas is used to heat water and change into steam which rotate the turbine of generators to produce electricity. Hydropower plant. In hydropower plant, water from rivers are stored by constructing dam. The water from the dam flow down through pipes and rotate the turbine of generators to produce electricity. Advantage of hydro power plant. Flowing water is renewable source of energy. Second, the electricity produced does not cause any pollution. Third, the water stored in dam can also be used to control floods and for irrigation. Disadvantage of hydropower plants. The initial cost is high. Large area of land gets submerged and the decomposition of vegetation produce methane gas, which is greenhouse gas. Third, it causes displacement of people from large areas of land. Figure show the thermal power plant. This figure show hydroelectric power generation plant. Biomass energy. The waste material and dead part of living things are called biomass. For example, wood, animal dung, vegetable waste, agriculture waste, sewage, etc. Biomass is decomposed by anaerobic microorganisms to produce biogas. Biogas is a mixture of gases containing methane, carbon dioxide, hydrogen and hydrogen sulfide. Biogas plant. The biogas plant has large underground tank made of bricks and cement. The lower part is the digester and the upper part has dome with a gas outlet. On one side of the tank above the ground is a mixing tank and on the other side is an overflow tank. Animal dung is mixed with water in the mixing tank and the slurry is sent into the digester. In the digester, the slurry is decomposed by an aerobic microorganism and after a few days biogas is produced. The gas is taken out through the gas outlet and used for heating and lighting purpose. The slurry left behind is rich in nitrogen and phosphorus and is used as a manure for crops. This figure shows the systematic diagram of fixed dome type biogas plant. Wind energy is used in windmills, which converts the kinetic energy of the wind into mechanical or electrical energy. The kinetic energy of wind can be used to do mechanical work like lifting water from the bells or grinding grains in flour mills. It can also be used to rotate the turbine of generators to produce electricity. A single windmill produces only a small amount of electricity, so large number of windmills in a large area are coupled together to produce more electricity in wind energy form. Advantage of wind energy. It is a renewable source of energy. Second, it does not cause any types of pollution. Third, the recurring cost is less. Disadvantage of wind energy. Wind is not available at the all times. Second, it requires a large area of land. Third, a minimum wind speed of 15 km per hour is required. Figure show the systematic diagram of wind mill and wind energy form. Wind power potential of India. India is rated high for wind resource ability. The total wind power potential in India is estimated at 45,000 megawatt, out of which about 6,000 megawatt is located in Tamil Nadu and 5,000 megawatt in Gujarat. A total capacity of more than 1,700 megawatt has already been installed, which will be increased further with the coming up of new facilities. India's largest wind energy farm established near Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu can generate 380 megawatt of electricity. Non-conventional source of energy. Solar energy. Solar energy is the energy obtained from the sun. in the form of heat and light. The heat energy is used in solar heating device like solar cooker, solar water heater, solar furnace, etc. The light energy is used in solar cell. Solar cooker. The box type solar cooker has an insulated box painted black inside. It is covered by a glass plate which allow heat to enter inside but does not allow heat to escape out. It has a mirror to reflect more sunlight into the box. The food to be cooked is kept in containers inside the box. It can produce a temperature of 100 Celsius to 140. Solar water heater. A solar water heater has an insulated box painted black inside with a system of copper tubes. It is covered with a glass plate which allow heat to enter inside but does not allow heat to escape out. When water flow through the copper tube, it absorbs heat and become hot. Solar cell. Solar cell is a device which converts solar energy into electrical energy. Solar cells are made from semiconductor like silicon, germanium, gallium, etc. A single solar cell produces a voltage of about 0.5 to 1 volt and produce about 0.7 watt electricity. So several solar cells are arranged in solar panel to produce more amount of electricity. Advantage of solar cell. It is used renewable source of energy. It produces electricity which does not cause any types of pollution. It can use in remote areas where there is no power supply. Disadvantage. It is used a special grade of silicon which is expensive. Second, since silver is used for connecting the cell together, it is more expensive. Third, the current produced is DC and to convert into AC increase the cost. The schematic diagram of box type solar cooker and solar water heater. Solar cell. Solar panel, solar